watch and observe as a big friend. I'm bench and everything. So if I say something.
The final times in the A final of the men's 100.
That's gonna be a meme. That's gonna be a meme.
Away they go for the first heat in the men's 100 meters. Brilliant start for Foster. Now Julian Ford gets into his running after a slow start and powers to the line. Well, it's been coming for a few weeks. 10.03.
Alright, my people, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're up on the usual home grounds, National Stadium. Another Saturday, another track meet. Velocity Fest 13. You know the usual, I carry no along with me. Well, I not carry no along, but there, so I'm gonna join me now. You know, like a behind the scenes, like a close-ups, some races and things. See if we can get some interviews if we go on good. So stay tuned. Remember to like, share and subscribe. I realize I don't watch the video then, but I don't really subscribe to the channel. You see me? If you don't like the videos, subscribe no man. We need to try and get 1,000 subscribers. You see me? We just deal with that. Red card. I will get it. Jano Bossy.
Off they go for the second heat of the men's 100 meters. Sarnell Hughes pouring through the field now, comes clear of the rest of the field. Adrian Carr finishes in second position. 10.05 for Hughes. Positive 0.6 meters per second of wind speed. The time has been adjusted to 10.04. Let's look at the time for Adrian Carr. It's a big personal best for the 19-year-old, 10.22. Off they go. This is the third heat of the men's 100 meters. Akeem Blake in control. Look at Blake go well clear of Stevens. 10.01.
Oh, second. Remy, third. Ali, Johnny.
Sarnell Hughes in lane 5. Julian Fort in lane 6. Red flag for Tashay Gill, the competitors for the women's.
Love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time to break up so I can make a better me. Better believe in your mind, cause it's everything. You can mold, shape, find almost anything. All it takes is some time and some clarity to find your identity. It's mind over everything. And when I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I feel like this, I'm immortal. When I
No, nobody wants to see that.
Nobody wants to see that?
No.
Are you ready for me?
That's
I'm ready.
world bronze medalist Shade Williams. That's Danica
As usual.
from Water.
As usual.
That's Troy from MVP. Physio. Yeah. Take the time very slowly, cool down properly.
What's usually the procedure after race?
After race, walk down a little bit for at least 10 minutes, and then afterwards you start to jog down. After you finish jog down, cool down and stretch, you come on the massage bed, we sort you out, ensure that you're okay for the next round, if there's a next round.
Finally, me run 40. Jeez and peace. What me up to backside? Every time I come on 50. You never tap me for tap. Thank you, Jesus. Paul can't cuss me now. He can't cuss me now. Yes, thank you, Jesus. Thank you for another successful day. Ah! Yes, yes, yes.
It's gonna fuck someone you know after you dead arrested. My nigga broke the street law with an 8-minute confession. God have mercy on his soul, pray he don't miss no blessing.
Yo, see next big thing up on the scene, you know. Next big thing up on the scene. How your race going?
I feel like some Mexicans are good race still, but I guess the conditions are just never favorable for me.
Everything good otherwise though? Inches and everything?
No inches.
How is stay for pens?
We're good for pens, I get the finishing touches in ready. So I can look forward to that.
Follow him on the Instagram, Blaine. Wait, I'm Blaine Buckler, right? Yeah. Big up. Party, how much you say I get him today?
19.8.
19.8? Where's the 120.3?
I wish.
So, what you give it? Tell me, we are coming to you after a race.
I just want to run up here.
Just want to run up here?
Yeah. Not even know. I think with 2 bills. Yeah, David. I think with 2 bills PR out, I'm probably like 22 something, you know. Yeah.
See, I give you 122 low.
No, so you're mad. That's not too slow, you know. We need to run 21 down this up.
Alright.
Alright then.
Show me the music that you listen to. Show me music where you listen to.
Three competitors remaining on member. Off and away they go for the section C in the men's 200 meters. Into the straight they come, Rashid Dwar from lane number 5. Taking charge of this race, well clear of premise of GC Foster College. Parchment comes through in 3rd position. 20 points.
What's the race overall?
It was a very comfortable one, despite I was slightly sick before it, so I have to give thanks. Most grateful that I finished injury free.
You said sick, what kind of sick exactly?
I was down with the flu.
Oh, everybody have flu nowadays?
Yeah.
You got carnival?
No, I didn't.
Oh.
I stayed home.
So it's not the carnival flu?
No, it's not.
Okay. Alright. When next we can expect to see you?
The next local track meet I will be here. I have some obligation with Adidas, supposed to Atlanta, and then probably races.
Before the race, when they ask you how you going to run, yeah? What are the expectations compared to the reality?
Well, that's what I wanted. Because, as I said, I did a 200 2020 when I really wasn't training properly and ran, I think 22.8. And I thought, if I can do 21.5 or faster, that's good. And that was 21.5, so I'm happy with that. But where I am in the season now, I know another month from now when I'm actually properly fit, I should be able to run faster than that. But I probably won't get the chance to run another 200. So
for this season, the sprint hurdles, what time you eyeing? I know you want a PB.
Yeah, always I look for a PB. Always, but Of course, the focus is on getting the technique right, executing the best race possible. And once I do all of that, the times will come.
Majority of people right now, they're under the flu. I talked to Rashid Doya a while ago. Him under the flu, you experiencing it?
Well, I don't know if it's a flu, but I've been having sore throat and runny nose and all of these things. But I've been doing the fight. You know, I've been steaming and you know, the garlic and honey and all these things I've been doing. So, and I've been hydrating very well.
You did go carnival?
No, sir.
Oh, so another carnival.
No.
Another carnival. Okay, alright.
Was a good run. Was a good run. Give thanks. What time now? It's 25 something.
What's the comeback, as man? Because I see the celebration when you finish, like you were very happy with the time.
Well, it was a great execution in my eyes. I've been working on a few things. I came out here and just execute.
I know you used to go Petersfield. West I come from, to Mannings we used to go. So when you don't go west, what do you normally do?
Rolling River, for sure.
Party?
24, no, Rolling River 24/7. Party is half season. But for now it's just business.
Alright, this season, what time you eyeing for the 200?
Well, I just...
Or is it 400 you're trying to specialize in?
I
know your skill like that, you know.
I'm a free agent, so any one of them I have the qualifier standard in, that would be one I would take in party.
Well, I'm alive.
It's a record. You say you're live. Which one hard episode? Football or track? Let me check all I photograph for them.
You know, just follow me on Instagram.
Tell them your name.
Dan Promise Movies. Get me to like 5,000 followers. I really appreciate it. Thanks, Mr. Bowen.
Juliet, Tapper and Hill, the three in this lineup. Mega Tapper got away brilliantly. Karika Hill trying to challenge her. Tapper and Hill, Tapper and Hill, Tapper and Hill. Karika Hill over Tapper. 12.76.
You're one athlete who is always smiling and always joyous and thing. I remember the Olympics, you even gave us a song after the race was finished. Usually before your races, let me know 3 songs that you always listen to get you pumped.
Always. So Sirac, I Know Who I Am. I Know Who I Am, yeah. Moment for Life is in there as well. Fly by Nicki and Rihanna. Yeah, those 3 are on the playlist. The library of dances is full. I can't give you none. I have to win first.
Alright, when you win, you will give it.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you. Karika, we just see you going down the Olympic bronze medalists. You're training partner. How has training been going now? Transitioning from the high school to the senior levels, you know, how difficult is it?
You have to know what you want, so I know what I want. So I go in the professional level to put out what I want so I can get the results.
A lot of persons are wondering if maybe you would go the collegiate route compared to straight professional. What determined your decision?
Well, that's personal things, but I felt like the professional route was the best one for me.
And lastly, during the season, tell me some foods that you cut out, like you don't eat it during track time.
Well, I mean, I eat everything, you know, but it's just sometimes, like a cheat day. Burger King, some KFC wings, cause you know that mad. And I mean, some Starbucks. So yeah.
Tyler Mason takes control. Tyler Mason ahead of point. Oh, Tyler Mason is definitely back to form. He is back to his Off they go for the 8-point of the women's 100 meters. Sharika Jackson got up well. She already takes control of this race. Sharika Jackson will clear on the field. Look at that time. 10.80.
And if of course it to them like you're doing it today, you post it tomorrow. Just say you want a video, you know. No, you might post it. Take a week for post it. I take them and say, chop it and come back to my kid.
Oh, no. I'm going to tell you what you have. It's like, you ain't have a thing where if you want to transfer a video from this, we did have to buy one. But make it here now, man. It's out. It's out.
Yeah, man, you have to do that, man. People can go.
Anthony, how you end up training in Jamaica? Like from Bahamas?
She love out here. She love out here like a out here she born. You know, I'm going to world champs and she should recall like what, 2017? Fat. Fat. Then I see 2018, and I can't beat the girl there, and I said, Jesus, when I said to me I could beat her, you know? So I said, let me join her so I can see what happened.
So if you can't beat her, you join her?
Yeah, I still can't beat her, you know, but then I come together. 2012, she win double a world junior, last me come, and me like to get them through the key, give me have to lock the gate for. So, me I tell you, it's hard. I work my way up here, but there.
See there? A hard work do it.
She mad because you know what? I never know. She come last. And I said, good run, girl.
Off they go. Brilliant start coming from Akeem Blake in lane number 4. Akeem Blake is coming the mark of the field. Akeem Blake beats the field brilliantly. What a run. Darnell Hughes gets second position. That was not close. Now we await the time.
Who win? Yeah, we'll get that. Who wants the time?
Blake, what exactly them say now while ago with the time?
Time can't find father. Yeah, fine. Did I wait on it?
How much you feel like you run?
Well, didn't get the 10 yet. My 9 yet, I mean. Would have surprised myself. As I train very hard for it. Just come out here and having fun. Just want to see time, isn't it?
So when you did run off, did you at any point have a feeling say, yo, this probably was a false start?
No.
Because in the stands you feel like a false start, you know?
No, I just react and have the race in control. The last bottom race, my coach was telling me, say, stay tall and punch to the line. And I did it, so here, waiting on the time. What the time, man? We're very hard, man. Need the time.
More than likely we're not get that time. I don't know, but if I had to,
as in from yeah, he stands man, must say you a false start.
Something wrong. But if I had to venture a guess, 9-8 something.
That must say. In the trap meet, you know, big potty shop thing just go on, race run.
Any of these potty shop you I don't know.
Wait, so this is not even potty shop. This what can I call it? Donut. This is even prestige. This is not prestige at all. But yeah, big potty shop thing going. Man, 100-meter run. The time not start none tall, you see me? So the man them finish and them not have a clue what time them run. Blake have your estimate and saying feel like a 9-8. What? This is
watch the replay, watch but the race.
Yeah.
I'll set one timer.
And
just time it off a TV, so just get the footage.
Watch, I'm gonna draw for VAR.
That is it. Just get the footage and when you just time it when you stop at same time and you get the one
remember,
time.
Cydon Bowen YouTube is where you get the VAR for track and field. So we give you the time, don't worry. This is the great Tanya Lee.
Hi.
The guru. Yeah.
Give you 3 points a while ago. You know.
Oh, if you never.
Sharp?
No,
and Tanya, husband that kill you?
Right? Wait, two of the best in the business.
Alright.
From she says so, you know.
Yeah, from she said no. From me get the Tanya stamp of a profile, nothing else matters. Remember, we need to start going some global events. All the brands seeing this, you know, just the country have the fastest man in the world and the fastest woman in the world. Yo, that thing say.
We not even know if yo,
no.
I can't speak.
Literally, no. What happened a while ago, brother? Like, I don't think me ever see this in track and
the man start run and the clock no start.
The clock no start, brother. Me tell them say I VAR, me have to go draw for. I first me hear say VAR in a track and field.
People in the stands a clap, race a run and me say, yo, wait, it's a fast start or what? We don't know what.
Brother.
But my feet a good time though. Run 10-8 something.
That's a good 9-8.
Sorry, run 9-8 something. Yeah, man.
I see him thing also
because when we talk to him all again, say him watch the time, him just feel good, say yo, him run, but you need them thing as markers, progressors.
True.
Yeah, man.
And that he can't even go back and say, oh, based on the numbers.
It's not a good look at all. The man even gonna make news tomorrow morning.
Exactly.
If he run a real lead.
No, this is gonna make news.
I mean, I make news if you're just read him so I like that. Him say the same thing he says a fast start.
Me tell you.
Fast start. We don't know who fast
As in,
who's this one? Bruce just what? And somebody asked.
As in Bruce James.
Okay, so you know we have Budapest coming up soon. Where a lot of these athletes will be there. So if you still want to get
Listen, I want to go to Budapest. So any brand out there who want to sponsor me, just go to the Sports Street and tell them you're gonna put
Sports
together.
Realtor JM on Instagram or the website, the Sports Realtor JM, and he wants to go to Budapest. If he comes to Budapest, you'll get lots of
content and everything.
Information. You'll be there, right there.
All right. We need to see when Ilian or Shelly break the world record.
That's right.
Did it. You understand?
Or Sharika.
Sharika in the 200.
In the 200.
Yeah,
right.
definitely.
Okay.